This video presents a part of our work on autonomous exploration of subterranean environments using our resilient micro-flyer robot. The robot is equipped with a graph-based exploration path planning algorithm that is capable of efficient local and global exploration. Local exploration guides the robot towards new directions based on the map of its surroundings by spanning a dense local graph. Global exploration uses a sparse graph representation across the fully explored map, enabling repositioning to frontiers of exploration space as well as auto-homing. To expand the resilient autonomy, a marsupially integrated robotic system of systems involving a legged robot ferrying a flying platform is utilized. The ANYmal robot is autonomously deployed to explore areas that are unreachable for the legged robot.